Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in today's video you will understand about the open shapes, closed shapes and the polygons. So let's start with the open shapes. What are open shapes? Those shapes which starts and end at different points. Like this is starting from this point and ending at this point. This is open shape. This is starting from this point and ending to this point. This is open shape. This is starting from this point and ending at this point. This is also open shape. Like this. Right? These all are open shapes. All those shapes which are open and starting and ending point is different. Those shapes are called open shapes. Clear? Now come to the closed shapes. Those shapes which starts and end at same point. Like this. This is the closed shape. This is the closed shape. This is the closed shape. Right? Now this is also the closed shape. Right? This is also the closed shape. This is also closed shape, right? So open shape starts and end at different points, but closed shape starts and end at same point, right? Now let's understand about the polygon. What is polygon? So any closed shape, कोई भी closed shape जो line segment से बनी हो is called polygon. So all the closed shapes which are made up of line segments called polygon. For example, this is the closed shape made up of line segment, right? These are line segment na straight lines. So this is the closed shape made up of line segments. So this is polygon. Similarly, this is made up of line segment and this is closed shape. So this is polygon. Similarly, this is made up of line segment and this is closed shape. So this is polygon. So all those shapes which are made up of line segment and those shapes are closed. So we call them polygon, right? Now if I ask, is this polygon or not? So this is not a polygon. Why? Because this is a closed shape, but this is not made up of line segment. ये curve से बना हुआ है. This is curved. Curve से बना हुआ है. So this is not made up of line segment. So this is not the polygon. Clear? So a closed figure or shape made with line segments is called polygon. Example of polygon are triangle. Triangle means three side like this. Quadrilateral means four side like this. Pentagon means five sides, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is a closed shape made up of 5 line segments. So this is a polygon. Clear? Now one by one we will understand about some polygons. So first is triangle. A triangle is a polygon made with three sides, or we can say three line segments, right? It is a closed figure made with three line segments. So this is a triangle, right? So it has three sides, one side, two side, three side. So it has three sides, three vertices. Vertices means corners. One corner, two corner and three corner. So three vertices means three corners and it has three angles. इसके क्या होते हैं? Three angles भी होते हैं. What are angles? These are angles. ये क्या है? Angles हैं. The space between two lines is called angle, right? So a triangle is a closed figure made up of three line segments. It has three sides, three vertices and three angles. Next is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a polygon made with four sides. वो polygon जो four sides, it means four line segments से बना हो. For example, this and this, right? like this. Okay, so these are quadrilateral because these are closed shape made up of line segments, and line segments are 4, so these are quadrilaterals. Now in these quadrilateral, examples are square, rectangle. So any closed shape made with line segments is called polygon, and if we have 4 line segments, then it is called quadrilateral. This is also the quadrilateral because it has 4 line segments and it is a closed shape. Clear? This is also a quadrilateral because it has 4 line segments and it is a closed shape. So examples of quadrilaterals are square, rectangle, etc. Right? Now understand about some quadrilaterals. First is square. A polygon with 4 equal sides is called square. वो पॉलीगन जिसमें all sides क्या हैं, equal हैं, those polygons are called squares, right? So this is a square. It has 4 sides. All sides are equal. 4 vertices. Vertices means corners. First corner, second, third, fourth, 4 corners. It has 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners. So square is a polygon which has 4 equal sides. It has 4 vertices, 4 angles. Now let's understand rectangle. Rectangle is a polygon in which we have 4 sides and opposite sides are equal. ये side इस side के equal है and this side is equal to this side. Square में क्या था? All sides were equal, but in rectangle only opposite sides are equal. So a polygon in which we have 4 sides and opposite sides are equal called rectangle. It has 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. Vertices means this and this, and angles are this, and opposite sides are equal, right? So in this class you have learned about the open shapes, closed shapes. Open shapes means which starts and end at different points. Closed shape means which starts and end at same point. Next, polygon. A polygon is a closed shape made with line segments. For example, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon. Next is triangle. Triangle is a polygon made with 3 line segments. It has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Next, quadrilateral. A polygon with 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral के examples क्या हैं? Square and rectangle. Square has 4 equal sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles. Rectangle has 4 sides but opposite sides are equal, 4 angles and 4 vertices, right? Now students, I am providing you one PDF also. You will do that work in your notebook, and in that PDF I have also given some questions for practice. If you have any doubt, you can ask me personally. Thank you. Have a good day.